Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. Mounted on steel tracks called caterpillar. Some call me digger, some excavator. Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. I've got a bucket with a boom and dipper. The main wagon is where sits the driver. Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. I can dig a hole and even clean out a river. Some call me digger, some excavator. Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. Mounted on steel tracks called caterpillar. Some call me digger, some excavator. Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. I've got a bucket with a boom and dipper. The main wagon is where sits the driver. Dig, 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 digger, digger. Some call me digger, some excavator. I can dig a hole and even clean out a river. Some call me digger, some excavator. Airman said, tow that truck back to the shed. 3 little trucks driving in the sun. One broke down and couldn't carry on. Driver called the garage and the repairman said, tow that truck back to the shed. 2 little trucks driving in the sun. One broke down and couldn't carry on. Driver called the garage and the repairman said, tow that truck back to the shed. 1 little truck driving in the sun. It broke down and couldn't carry on. Driver called the garage and the repairman said, put those trucks back to the shed. Dear kids, meet me. I am a bulldozer, big and heavy, strong and steady. Don't come closer. Say a bull, say a dozer, say a bulldozer. No one can beat me. I'm a bulldozer. I have a big blade of steel to push things over. My driver can make me go fast or slower. Say a bull, say a dozer, say a bulldozer. No one can beat me. I'm a bulldozer. Scoop, scoop, scoop the earth. Help to clear the place. If there is no work left, just go back to base. Drive, drive, drive your truck gently down the road. Halt, gear, and reverse. Let's begin to unload. Pick, pick, pick up the trash. Put it in the truck. Let's clean out the place. There's no more leftover muck. Clear, clear, clear the way. There's a fire to put out. If you hear a loud siren, there's nothing to worry about. Dig, dig, dig the ground. A new road is underway. Scoop the dirt and pile it aside. It is going to be a fun day. mix the cement, pour it on the ground. If you feel a little dizzy, just stop moving around.
Woo-hoo!
Roll, roll, roll on the road, flatten it till you can. Make it smooth to drive on, do the best you can. Lift, lift, lift some beams, be careful as you can be. Pile them up in a corner, make sure you don't hit a tree. Dear kids, meet me, I am a bulldozer. Big and heavy, strong and steady, don't come closer. Say a bull, say a dozer, say a bulldozer. No one can beat me, I'm a bulldozer. I have a big blade of steel to push things over. My driver can make me go fast or slower. Say a bull, say a dozer, say a bulldozer. No one can beat me, I'm a bulldozer. I can stand on the wheels or on the crawler, pushing sand, bricks, rubble, and even a boulder. Say a bull, say a dozer, say a bulldozer. No one can beat me, I'm a bulldozer. Mixer truck rolling down the road with a huge mixer drum spinning on board. Rumbling, rumbling, the drum makes a sound, mixing cement going round and round. Mixer truck rolling down the road. So much cement it makes a heavy load. Carrying all the thick mixture to the site. It can mix in the day or mix it in the night. Mixer truck rolling down the road. When you're done with one round, you go for reload. Cement, sand, water, gravel, you mix them all to help build a bridge, a school, or shopping mall. Have you ever seen a truck that is so tall? In front of it, every big person looks small. With the heavy base and long arm high above all, the crane stands tall, the crane stands tall. With a tough steel body, it never looks shy. Big heavy loads, it can lift them all high. It can work in the sun, it can work in rainfall. The crane stands tall, the crane stands tall. Using its pulleys and the strong iron chain, it can lift a car, it can even lift an airplane. Constructing skyscrapers or a big shopping mall, the crane stands tall, the crane stands tall. One little, two little, three little dump trucks, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dump trucks, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dump trucks, 10 little cute dump trucks. 10 little, 9 little, 8 little dump trucks, 7 little, 6 little, 5 little dump trucks, 4 little, 3 little, 2 little dump trucks, 1 little cute dump truck. One little, 2 little, 3 little dump trucks, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little dump trucks, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little dump trucks, 10 little cute dump trucks. Calling you a tipper truck is not wrong. Loading and dumping all day long. Dump truck, you're so cool. Having you at the site is a rule. You dump sand and boulders on the ground. After that, you go for another round. Dump truck, take some rest. You work so much, you are the best. Come another day and you hit the road on the big bed, putting all the load.